If you're ruled by the strategy of our ancestors, all you find is frustration. If you allow your own mutation to be alive, if you allow your generator sacral, if you allow yourself to say yes and no, if you allow your body to say yes or no and trust that, then you have a chance to turn all of these pulls. I need to prove my worth. I need to avoid conflict. I need to find love and direction outside myself. I need to hold on to what's bad for me because then at least I feel something. I need to find attention from other people. I need to prove that I'm certain about something so I don't appear foolish and I'm inspired by what doesn't matter. Once all of those are no longer the driving force in the life, there is a chance for each of those to flip into wisdom of I know what is worthy. I know what is truly valuable or not. I know the truth and I'm not afraid of conflict. I know what is good for me and that is what I hold on to. I know that I love myself and therefore I don't need to find love outside of myself. I am made up of love. I don't need to gather attention because I know how the mechanics of attention work. I know how to gather attention. I know how to disperse attention. It's not a big deal. I know that I'll never be certain about anything in life. I know that nothing is certain. My mind can never be certain. And the weight of what doesn't matter is no longer the most important pressure causing me to think. Once those wisdom potentials are open, it's only possible through trusting the sacral response. For you see, in those not self pulls, you're pulled away from the no in here and you pretend it was a yes. And then you're in a space where you can't integrate. You're in a space where you're learning what you can't actually share. So you're not actually learning anything.